I was really impressed by the professionalism and attention to detail, and the fact that I was able to do everything from the comfort of my home. That was an added bonus. And I really enjoyed the convenience of service and the expertise they showed. They actually dressed the windows rather than just covering them. I save a lot of money I will have had to spend on consultation. I was very impressed with the result. I absolutely loved it. What are you waiting for? Pick up the phone and call Galaxy Design today.